What's up, everyone? Welcome to Scott's Honest Reviews. So today we are reviewing the Blue D timer. So what better way to test it out than for making a nice old pizza? So I'll put a link in the video description where you guys and girls can find this. So it's just a nice little timer. Now obviously to make a pizza we have a timer on our stove, but as a demonstration for stuff that you need time, like if you're baking or cooking, or for example, there's a lot of times that my wife and I were making something in the oven and we're also doing something on the stove. So a lot of times we got to time everything perfectly. Well, we don't have to do that now anymore. We can time one thing while the other thing is timing. So I see they supplied a battery. Very simple layout. Even has magnets that you can put it on something metal. So as you can see over here, for us, we can just simply mount it right on our stove. We could put it to the side if we want. We could put it up top here. That's kind of in the way, so probably on the side or right down here. All right, let's go ahead and put the battery inside. Just pull that down. Take the plastic off the battery. Go ahead, slide that in. And now it's ready. So this would be minutes and seconds, I believe. And this looks like ST and SP for start and stop. So start. So there you go. Okay, so there's S, seconds, and then minutes. Let's press the S. It paused it. So you can have it count down or you can have it count up. So let's go ahead and press. So you press them both together for clear. So if you press them both together, it will clear it. So you can set your minutes by pressing this. So 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 4, 5 minutes, and then you press start and it will count down. But it also can count up, so you press both of them to reset. You just simply press this and it will go ahead and start counting up. So now it's counting up. So there you go. It's that simple. Over here it looks like you have volume. So you can have the volume off, or, well, no, that's actually lower. So press it up for louder, down for lower. Okay, let's go ahead and get this pizza set up. All right. By the way, comes with a little card here, user manual as well. So, I mean, it's, as you saw, we didn't even need it. It's very simple. So, let's go ahead and set the timer. So, let's see. Let's set it for 20 minutes. All right, so we set it for 20 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and place it right here. Now let's go watch some TV. Hey everyone, just an update. We got 8 minutes, 20 seconds left. I wanted to do this mid-update to let everyone know that it's working great. Still working fine, no problems, no issues, timer's counting down. And I know that because I've been testing the timer with my phone. So I set it at the same time as my phone and it's been equal. So far, so good. All right, just a couple seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. And that's it. It functioned perfectly. Nice, simple, only takes one battery, which they supply. I can't complain. So you know what? It's gonna stay right there for future uses. I think we can give it a solid 4.5 stars. We could give it a 5-star. It's not as stylish as one would want. Oh, by the way, it does have a little stand, so you can have it stand up. If it was more stylish, we could give it a 5-star rating. But besides that, for performance and everything, you know, it's really nice. It's got the magnets there. Overall, 4.5 stars is actually my highest rating I've ever given. By the way, auto off, another nice feature. So yeah, 4.5 stars is the highest rating I've ever given a timer. So keep that in mind. I don't give timers high ratings for a reason, because a lot of them are off. You know, when you use a timer, some of the really cheaper ones don't actually count down or count up in correct time. They're either slower or faster. So this one was very close, so it gets a 4.5 out of 5 stars, which that equals to about an 8.8 out of 10 rating. Links in my video description if you're interested.